We've heard the phrase, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but have you ever wondered how the pros do it? Hannah stepped into the kitchen with Chef Trenita. She's Jayson Tatum's personal chef, and she found out how the Celtics star sets himself up for success.
Well, it is a special day when we get to be in Chef Trenita's kitchen. She is a personal chef to so many stars, and you are making people feel full and fueled. Thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Let's start with why it is so important to fuel as athletes and to recover well.
Fueling athletes is very important. As a personal chef, we are making sure that these players are getting what they need after playing these grueling games and putting so much wear and tear on their bodies. So we're wanting to ensure that they're getting their antioxidants, polyphenols, creatine, collagen, and protein in daily to build muscles and to help them continue to recover.
Well, I think the people of Boston have a big thank you to give you because you are fueling one of, I think, the city's favorite athletes, Jayson Tatum from the Boston Celtics. And this all came together because you are friends with his aunt.
Yes.
And he just needed a little St. Louis here in Boston with him.
He absolutely did.
So you're going to walk us through what one of his favorite breakfasts is.
Yes.
And what's that?
So Jayson's favorite breakfast, he's a really simple guy. He loves pancakes, bacon, and eggs. So today we're going to do a twist on that and do a banana oat pancake with soft scrambled eggs and some turkey bacon. We have a ripe banana, some rolled oats, fresh blueberries for garnish, fresh mint for garnish, and vanilla and cinnamon and baking powder.
And then this also, you're making him a collagen smoothie?
The collagen actually helps build muscle, and as you know, with his injury, we definitely need to get that collagen in so we can continue to repair him. So the collagen just builds muscle, helps repair tendons, so definitely need that.
So this is it, the Breakfast of Champions. I'm going to dig in here, and Trenita, tell people where they can follow along with you.
They can follow me on Instagram at chef_Trenita, TikTok, chef_Trenita, and my website is thecultivatedchef.com.
And you guys are going to want to do that because this might be the best pancake I've ever had.
Oh, thank you.